Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping in on crypto mining game. I know it's only been 2 days, but we're going to be doing a super quick update. And did we get our withdrawal or did we not? Keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so crypto mining game. I realize it's only been 2 days since the last time we were in here. So like I said, it's been 2 days since the last time we were in here. So in that 2 days, has anything really changed in my account? Yes, it has. We have boosted our H power by 38. And if we dive into the workshop, there you go, finally made it. And we scroll down to the bottom, you'll see that I have boosted my script mining power up to level 5. So that means I'm receiving 5% extra on top of what I already had. And I don't know about those of you out there, it'd actually be really good if you could put a post below this video and let me know how you are finding getting through these levels and upgrading your various algorithms. I'm actually, obviously, like I said, I'm solely focusing on script, but I am actually finding it quite easy to get up through these levels, just basically prioritizing doing the battles for the VMP, and then the rest of the time I'm pretty much out there finding recyclable stuff to help boost my script mining power. But I am getting a lot of PMs and DMs, not even from people that are actually involved in the game, but just people that want to know, did we get that withdrawal or did we not? This lottery system seems to have taken massive interest to people. They're obviously, at the end of the day, if you're building up, if you're mining in a program and you put in a withdrawal, normally you would expect to get it. But in the case of Crypto Mining Game, with their new version 2.2, it is all a bit of a lottery. So basically, we all put our withdrawals in, and every Monday we will get a message either saying we did or we didn't. And as you can see on the screen here, we did not actually get our withdrawal, and we were fully refunded. You can see the 10,000 lits is back in there. But obviously we also do get our compensation. So let's go and check out the messages and see what we received. Okay, so if we go to CMG information, okay, here we go. So obviously the withdrawal was refunded. We didn't get it. On your next withdrawal, you will have 2 times to be selected. You will have times 2 to be selected, so 2 chances, I'm guessing. So essentially you've got 2 tickets in the lottery. The compensation was 1,000 crystals, 2,000 coins, and 1 amazing crate. Now the amazing crate is very interesting. I've never had one personally. I've only ever had the normal bronze crates, the silver crates, gold crates, which I have found now and again. And you also get given as an elite member. I've had a war crate, which we win when we do well in the VMP, but I have never had an amazing crate. So let's go and see what is involved. Because also as well, it got me thinking, is if some of this compensation, if these compensations are that good and you're putting in a withdrawal every single week, if you're getting things like mining boosts and all that kind of stuff, that is almost the equivalent of being an elite member. So, you know, you kind of think, obviously you want that withdrawal, but if you're involved in the game such as I am, so it's not necessarily just about the mining. Obviously the mining is a big part, and that is essentially why we're here. But obviously I do get involved in the crypto mining war, in the VMP, all that kind of stuff, which I think that a lot of what is going to be in here is going to be geared towards battling and stuff like that. So there'll be lots of cards. There might be quite a lot of energy. I'm hoping that there will be mining boosts, because obviously, like I say, that is why we're here. So we've got 456 crystals. We got nearly 1,000 coins. We got 30 energy. So we've got 37 virus cards, 28 Bitcoin cards, 28 mouse cards, 28 lightning cards, 28 bugs, 28 mining tower, 28 blob, 4 exchanger, another 28 Bitcoin card, which is a bit annoying because you can't actually use the Bitcoin card in the mining war, although you do get a benefit if you have it in your pack or in your deck. You get benefits from other benefits in the program from having that in your deck. More bugs, another 28 bugs. So we got 6 game tokens, and please say we got some more. Oh, we didn't get any mining boosts. Well, that is rather disappointing. But as we know that if we don't get picked the second time around, do we get 2 crates? Do we get double the amount of compensation? That will be interesting. Anyway, okay, so while we're here, we're going to put in that withdrawal again. So, yeah, silly me. I did completely forget that the way this is also working is that they change the coins that you can withdraw every so often. Is it once every week, or I think it's every week? So 1 week you can withdraw Litecoin, 1 week you can mine Dash, and as it goes on, I believe that's how it works. So this week is Dash, and we don't have 10,000 Dash. So unfortunately, we cannot put in a withdrawal for that. But yes, as you can see, that is how the lottery works. We did get our compensation. I was disappointed that there was no mining boosts in there. But, I just wanted to make this quick video to show you sort of what happened, what's involved, what you're going to get from compensation if you don't get your withdrawal, and and that's it. So anyway, if you are not sure what Crypto Mining Game is and you are interested, what I'll do is I'm going to put a link in the description and a link after the video that you can check out, and that will give you a better understanding of the latest version of Crypto Mining Game. So that'll be sort of an explained version of the version 2.2 to give you a better idea of how the program works now and what is involved. And obviously you've just seen how the withdrawals work. I say, okay, so take care. And if you can smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.